Hi, welcome to my channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Well, I did a little shopping. I went to Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Target, and Michael's. I'm always on the lookout for things that we can decoupage, and I love to share them with you. I also have a new video. There it is with the snowman. I did that especially for beginners. You can learn tips, techniques, and the supplies you need and make a beautiful plate. Remember, Vippies has lots of beautiful napkins that you can use to decoupage. www.vippies.com. Let's go on to decoupage. So what's the difference between decoupage and Mod Podge? Well, decoupage is really the art of adhering pretty papers to objects, and the pretty papers we use are paper napkins, and we adhere them to things like glass plates and jars and many other things. And the glue we use is Mod Podge, and Mod Podge comes in lots of different finishes. Let's go shopping. At the Dollar Tree, I got these leaded snow signs. I have a really cute project for that. I had the campers from last year, but this year I was able to get the red pickup trucks. I got a couple snow globes. I'm just going to leave them there because they're very, very cute. I bought some of these candy canes. I'm going to put them inside some decoupaged tin cans, and I always buy the foil wrapped candies because those foils can be decoupaged onto rocks. Yes, they can, and it works. I always get some of their glass plates to make cookie dishes with, and I have a new video just for beginners, and you're going to be able to make a beautiful plate and very easily. I bought some more of their little miniatures. They have some new ones for this year, like the truck and the camper, and I'm going to make some new shadow boxes using them, and they were so much fun to make. The berry garland I have never seen at the Dollar Tree. I was very excited I was able to grab a few of them this year. And the flat trees and the flat wood are always fun to decoupage, and they have the little red trucks and many other cute things. But you know what? I got even more stuff from the Dollar Tree. More from the Dollar Tree, like that 3-piece sign. I made a cute sign for Thanksgiving, gather, thankful and grateful. I think I could do something similar for Christmas. I also bought some of this white sand. I'm going to mix it with Mod Podge and use it to make some snow. I love the poinsettia tea lights. They're so cute. And the spray snow, I'm going to use them on some pine cones. I was so happy to find the large tapers that they had, and they're flameless. I love to use the flameless candles. I got a look at their bags, and I grabbed a few. I know everybody likes making signs with their bags because they are so pretty, and I think I'm going to do some of those this year too. And towels, love towels in the kitchen to make pillows. I'm going to give you a better look right now. Here are some of the towels that I picked up for Christmas. I got some at Michael's. I got some from Dollar General, Kohl's, Target. I'm always looking for their really pretty holiday towels. Now you can take these towels, of course, and you can use them in your kitchen. You can put one in your bathroom. You can put one in a guest room. There's lots of different places you can use and put these. And we can also make little pillows. You know, I like to fold them in half, sew them up, and you have a tiny little pillow. You could even put them on the back of the chair. And there's more. Window clings, like the towels, is another item I love to pick up when I go to many different kinds of stores. Even the big drugstores seem to have window clings. They're so much fun. They cost $1, and the graphics are so pretty. There's so much you can do with these. And I have a really good video coming up where I'm going to be using the window clings. And I think it's a little bit different than what I've seen out there. Go to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino, and there's more. The Dollar General by me was just starting to put things out, like that Joy to the World shadow box. Of course, I'm going to change that. They had some other cute things. I love the metal bells, and they're actually big enough to decoupage. I like the 3 words there, Murray, peace, believe. They're metal. I can add them to something. And of course, the little truck that lights up. I like getting the wall decals as well. You can definitely use them in signs in your decoupage project, and the florals, and I have more from Dollar General. The Dollar General by me has a sale table, and they put seasonal merchandise on the table, and it's 75 to 90% off. And that's where I got this chicken, and I got this sign with the little pig, and those, I wanted those, and then I was able to get them for less than $1. Well, let's keep going. Those terracotta saucers back there, I got them from Michael's. I don't know, they kind of look like coasters to me. I did go back to the Dollar Tree again. I got that wolf sign. I can definitely decoupage that. I got this spatula. It's for a project, and I got 3, just a little hint there. And I got these signs as well, and they're modern farm, and I really like them the way they are, but I have an idea of what I can do with them too, so I don't know. The Sure Sense, the wrapper comes off, and we can definitely decoupage that, and it can match our decor. I love the little wooden lanterns from their Crafty Square, and they light up. Then I found these acrylic drawers, and they're clear, which means we can do a reverse decoupage on them, and that's going to be fun. And now we can also decoupage on screen, and let's keep going. Wow, that was really quick. I hope you enjoyed all of my little mini hauls from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General and from Michael's. You could saw all the things I picked up that we can decoupage. And when we decoupage, we use Mod Podge and beautiful napkins from Vippies Designs, www.vippies.com. If you want to learn more about decoupage or you'd like to try some decoupage projects, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. I just put a video out with the beginner's plate, and I have more coming. Thank you for watching.